Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, it's nearly Australia Day and I thought I'd celebrate it by cooking up some good old Aussie tucker. But I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently using the humble 2-minute noodle, aka ramen noodles, aka instant noodles. I've got 3 Aussie classics to whip up. Let's get started. Mate! Of course, first thing we need to do is start boiling some noodles. So, in you go, cobber. So the first one on the menu today is a Vegemite and butter. Might even throw something else in, just in case. So these noodles are cooked. I'll drain these.
Well, that sounds familiar.
Alright, well let's get started on this one. I've got the saucepan nice and ready. So let's add in some butter. Oh yeah. Melt that down. And what do you reckon? That's a good Aussie serve of Vegemite? Sure is. Throw that in as well. That looks dangerously low in butter. I better add some more. And give it a good mix around. Mate! And now let's add some noodles in. Ah, they're hot! Oh! God! Oh! Mate, I love that heat. It's great. Mix that through. Oh, the smell coming off that is just gorgeous. Into a bowl. That looks like something you'd buy in a shop. And it smells absolutely delicious. Now, you can just have it like that, but there's something else I like to add on top. A little bit of cheese. This smells so good. Like really, 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 really good. Let's go. Well, mate, that's good. This could be my new staple. Aussie ass. If you're bored with Vegemite on toast, make sure you give this a try. It is an absolute winner. Mate! So for my next recipe, it's a meat pie inspired ramen hack. So I've pre-cooked some noodles and I've also got some reserved liquid here. Now into a dry saucepan, I'll add a little bit of butter. I've got some diced onions here as well. So I'll just throw in a few of those. Mate! And I've got a clump here of ground beef or minced meat. We'll throw this in as well. And now that meat's nicely browned, let's add in the noodles. Give it a mix. Next, we'll add in the reserved water. That's probably about half a cup's worth. And the secret ingredient to this is some instant gravy. We'll probably only need about a spoon's worth. Sprinkle that in. Well, that's not going to be enough, is it? Let's add a little bit more. Really Aussie that up. And what would a meat pie be without some dead horse, aka tomato sauce? So we'll just put a little squirt of that in. Don't cook it for too long. We don't want those noodles to get soggy. Nothing worse than a soggy meat pie. Even looks like a meat pie. Well, not really. Looks more like pasta. Smells like a meat pie though. Let's go. Well, that's great. I could eat 4 and 20 of these, no worries. Mate, for my next hack, it's got a Queensland vibe. Oh yeah, using some of my favorite tropical fruits. I've pre-cooked some noodles, so I'll add some of those in to the pan. One of my favorite veggies is this one right here, the beetroot. We love our beetroot up here. We love it on hamburgers, we love it in salads, and we love it just on its own. What goes awesome with beetroot? Pineapple. Let's throw some of that in. Mate, how good's that look? But it's missing something, isn't it? Some mayonnaise. We'll add some of that in, just for some creaminess. Not too much, but not too little. Mate! Let's add a crack of salt in there as well. And some pepper, why not? Oh yeah. But I think it's still missing something, don't you? I do. Some cheese. Just on top. And let's top it off also with a little bit of onion. Give it a nice crunch. That just looks so Aussie. Well, it does to me. Let's get all these flavours mixed together. Oh yeah. Tastes like a pineapple pizza without the ham or the pizza. Well, I hope you enjoyed those classic Aussie ramen hacks. Which one was your favourite? Will you be trying any? If you do, let me know down below. Click hello. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time for my next recipes right here on Greg's Kitchen. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made some classic Aussie ramen hacks. All I was missing was a shrimp on the barbie. They were delicious. Ooh, yeah. Mate!